I'm Adrian. I'm one of the co-founders of 4149. 4149 can reflect on your team's chats and meetings to then proactively contribute and chip into your team's work. So an example is you're getting ready for a big pitch or like a sales call, and because you're talking about it in Slack, because maybe it came up in your team meeting, 4149 picks up on that and will proactively do research on the person that you're pitching to, or drop a research report about the company so that you can go into the meeting with that information ready, and you didn't have to ask for it. We're using Atlas from MongoDB. What made MongoDB awesome for 4149 was we are not just looking at individual snapshots of what happened in a meeting, but rather we are extracting these structured reflections from these various points of context, and we need to keep track of them over time. MongoDB gives you this combination of both having the ability to do vector search and basic similarity searches, but on top of that, we can also search by all the metadata and the structured data that we are extracting from these conversations to help 4149 be able to put together the disparate context that it gathers from chats, from transcripts, from documents that it's read. The important bit here is that we're not necessarily looking at or storing excerpts, but rather we're storing reflections that the AI has made, which are higher understandings of what these conversations have touched on, what is on the team's mind. So while vector search is great for bringing together what sounds similar to a question, we also make heavy use of the hybrid search so that we can take into account things like time relevancy and other metadata that we tag these reflections with. What has been great is not having to have our data spread in multiple databases, because we can do the vector search and actually store the real data in the same place. That has just helped in terms of like avoiding data redundancy. From a cost point of view, it's great because it's all in the same place, so there's fewer things to keep track of and fewer things to pay for. As we grow 4149, I see MongoDB being part of the journey just because it's flexible, it's understood, it's well-tested. So many people are coming into AI with the expectation of it being just another tool that's transactional, where you ask for something and you get back something. But this can actually now also take action and make contributions that are not generic, but super nuanced and specific to your team's needs and conversations.